Alright, so today we'll be working on my trans. We have a table set out for the trans, a relatively clean cloth, and the trans kit. So hopefully this goes smooth. Wish us luck. I'll be back in a minute. Peace.
Yeah, that was a great one. Okay. It's like, what the heck? I'm getting all wet. This isn't my job. Well, that would make a great YouTube.
It looks really clean now.
Yeah, we're going to spray her down one more time, though. And then we'll brush her a little bit, and then... Oh, there it goes. It's blinking.
Yep, it's on.
Wonderful.
been over here since 8:50. We've been working on this for a couple hours now. We had lunch, and we have everything taken apart, getting ready to put everything back together. My battery is almost dead. I brung 3 separate batteries and went through all of them. This one's on its last life, but as you can see, we're all the way in this one. We just set these back on here because we didn't want to lose the check balls, and then this little sucker popped out and went down into here, so we just put a couple bolts on here to keep it. This is all the old stuff. You can see these clutches are burnt, like terrible. Like, look at that. There's nothing there. So you take this, there's literally nothing there. Compare it to the new ones. Where are they? Oh wait, this is the clutch. There's a little bit on this side, but that looks a lot better than that. So let's see if I remember how these go together. So I'm going to try to record as much of the putting back together process. I'll take my batteries and hope that there's a little bit of life left in them. One battery I ran all the way down till the GoPro shut off. I don't know what my hair looks like, but I'm imagining it's a mess. So if I don't get to end this video, I might end it in my room, but if I don't, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.